Hello guys, good evening. How are you? Hope you are doing well and all are enjoying your best and quality time with your loved ones. And you are most welcome to our new video. Guy, in this video, I'm going to discuss you with the insurance plan. Guys, what is the best thing of insurance policy? The why insurance should anyone should take insurance, why the your assets should insured, because everything is permanent in this universe. Anything might be happen with your respect of your asset, respect of your health, in respect of your any valuable things. So guys, uh, you might be heard about life insurance, health insurance, motor vehicle insurance, and all these things. But I am going to introduce you the first time the home insurance. Home insurance you might have not listened, but I am going to explain you that home insurance is the new business and new safety tool, insurance tool for the house owners. And regard of this, one of the insurance plan which is very famous in this regards, that Bharat Grih Raksha Plan. Bharat Grih Raksha Plan means this insurance policy is dedicated to your home, your house, your flats, your buildings. What's happened in this Bharat Grih Raksha Plan, that if you buy insurance from any insurance company, they will take care of your household. Like you have a flat, or there are two kind of flat. One of independent flat, independent house, which is construct normally in the simple plot in your village or in town. That is a simple house. You are the sole owner of that plot and you are living there at that place. Might be your relative or your tenant used to live there. And second kind is like a flat, society flat, builder floor, in which multiple users are living there, and the house is maintained by the any developer society, like any builder like Unitech, DLF, or might be other builder, Bestech, or some other builder, which construct building, flat, or builder floor or apartment, and sold to multiple users. You are used to live there. So what happened? What is the scenario of Bharat Grih Raksha Plan? That if you buy uh, insurance policy for your house, might be your own independent house, or might be for your flat or your builder floor or your penthouse or your villas or your farmhouse. So what cover in this? The insurance company offer you, you need to buy that policy, Bharat Grih Raksha Plan, and you have to spend some money, whatever will be your amount, whatever will be insurance amount which you have to buy. And that is that amount you have to pay once only, at once. In first one installment you have to pay all the amount, and this amount you might be you purchase from 1 year to 20 year. And second thing, along with the structure, like building a structure, there is two kind of insurance in Bharat Grih Raksha Plan. One is for a structure, like your building. If something happen, like disaster, like any natural mishappening, fire or something, earthquake, anything happen, and your structure of building might be damaged or demolished, then insurance company will pay that some amount, whatever that will discuss and noted at the time of buying of your insurance. And next, suppose that you are not a house owner, you are not the owner of that company, that flat or independent floor, or might be your sweet home, or might be your luxurious penthouse or ultra luxurious farmhouse. You are not the owner, but you are used to live there. So question might be rise that can you buy this policy? Of course, you can buy this policy, but not for a structure. You can't buy this policy for the structure, building a structure, but you can buy this policy for the content. Content means whatever the things you are using in your own house, like furniture, of steels, your daily uses, clothes, luxurious thing like golds, jewelries, and other thing, which electronics things also. Your whatever you are using in your home, that also all are includes in this Bharat Gri Raksha plan. But what is the condition? Duration of this content insurance policy is only for 1 to 5 years, because the terms of the company that one owner in average live at some place at any flat or a plot is only for average 5 year. So you can buy this policy for the 5 year if you are a tenant, right? And if you are not and if you are a house owner, you want to buy a policy for the whole of your structure, building, flat. So you can buy from 1 to 20 year, might be 5 year, might be 10 year, 15 year, and longest term tenure is 20 year. So hope I like this video, and if you require the home insurance, if you are a home insurance homeowner, flat owner, you might consider the about this insurance, because no one know that what will be happen in next few year, few day, few month. So if you this all thing are insured with any company, so might be losses will be covered very easily, and you will be live relaxedly, will tension free and live happily. So in this video we discuss about Bharat Gri Raksha insurance plan, and hope you like this video, and keep watching and subscribing, sharing with your friends, and supporting us. I'm very glad to all of you guys who are watching my video always. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot.